this one. Let's see what we get. If we don't get 10 microfarads, like something. Hold on. Yeah, this is a bad capacitor.
Aye.
So we're gonna test a 10 microfarad one. Then, so the capacitor was bad.
Look.
It say 9.975. Turn the system back on. Yeah. All right, so with the new capacitor, the fan's still running backwards. You know what? To switch the wires. Get up in here. Right?
I just put them bookers in my chain. Pickable, 80 pointers like a Kobe game. Pickable, 7.62s, I make them plain. Pickable, now you better smell my name.
Alright, so look, it's running better now. I flipped the bottom piece at the, not both of them running.
Pickable, surprise bitches, that nigga.